What is up, guys? It is Hyper Adrenaline again with another video, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. Today I'm going to be seeing how fast I can solve the Rubik's Cube. If you watched one of my previous videos, you saw that I finally solved the Rubik's Cube, but in this video I'm going to be seeing how fast can I solve the Rubik's Cube. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, guys, my final time came out to be 2 minutes and 43 seconds, which is not a bad time, but it's not exactly the world record. And it's pretty fast, and it's pretty good when you think about it. But anyways, hit like. That's all for this video. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.